Hello and welcome to Prime News. Now a look at the headlines. CM predicts vote share of BJP in current voting. Confident of victory on both seats. Maintains that mining belt has voted for BJP. Report of Congress leaders involved in anti-party activities by next week. Executive committee meeting to decide action against leaders. Process to get compensation for storm-affected people in Sattari and Bicholi tedious. 250 farmers from Sattari, 40 from Bicholi apply for relief. MOEF asks for suggestions from people on eco-sensitive zones. Proposes to close down mining in buffer zone with immediate effect. And Lakshmikant Shetgaonkar's Baga Beach bags National Award in Konkani. Goa-based film Coffin Maker Best Film in English category. And now the news in detail. Chief Minister Manohar Parrikar is confident of winning both the Lok Sabha seats. CM says BJP will garner around 2,40,000 votes in North Goa, while in South it will be 2,20,000. Lead figure will depend on the amount of voters others pull. CM Parrikar further says disclosing lead figure at this point of time is difficult. He also avoided answering whether Modi will be the Prime Minister if NDA doesn't get desired figure. Parrikar confidentially bragged BJP will get 300 seats.
Candidates and political parties are already perplexed with the heavy voting for Lok Sabha poll in Goa. Both are wondering about the beneficiary of the silent voting.
दोन्ही सीट जसे सांगल्या तसे कम्फर्टेबली जिंकतले. उत्तरेन 2,40,000 मतां पडटली, दक्षिणेन 2,20,000.
लीड कशी
लीड ही अनेक दुसरे फॅक्टर तिथे बाकीचे आमी कॅल्क्युलेशन करता. आमकां कितें मतां पडटली ती तुका पयलींच आमी प्रेडिक्ट केल्ले 2.5 लाखाच्या आसपास, 240 ते 260 आणि 220 ते 240.
मायनिंग बेल्टान खूप वोटिंग जाला ते
जबरदस्त आमच्या सायडीक जाला.
कितले कॉन्फिडंट आहात?
एब्सोल्युटली. काँग्रेसचे हे तरी आशिल्ले, टेबला तरी आशिल्ली.
केन साश्टी कितली तुमच्या वांगडा?
66 we will be close, neck to neck. I don't know which side it may go.
सगळ्या कॉन्स्टिट्युएन्सीनी लीड घेतले काय?
नाही हांव तशें सगळ्या कॉन्स्टिट्युएन्सीन लीड घेतले 66 अशें सांगू शकना. 66 अनेक 2-4 मतदारसंघांनी आमी लीड घेत. 1-2 हातून काँग्रेस आसत, 1-2 हातून तो चर्चील आसूंक शकता. त्यामुळे 66 ओवरऑल लीड आसतली.
लास्ट टाइम जेन्ना लोक काँग्रेसच्या अगेन्स्ट गेले असेंब्ली इलेक्शनाक तेन्ना 66 वोटिंग केले पण ते बीजेपी खातीर केले ना. ते
ह्या खेपा तुमकां बीजेपी खातीर केल्लेय दिसती पडटले.
When we asked CM whether Narendra Modi will be the Prime Minister if NDA fails to get desired numbers but achieves the single largest party status, Parrikar tactfully avoided a reply. He said that this question does not arise as BJP will win 300 seats.
तुमचो तो प्रश्नाक हांव उत्तर दिना. तो प्रश्न कितें म्हणटा ते कल्पीत म्हणटात ताका पळय, इमेजिनरी क्वेश्चन. कित्याक आमी 300 पर्यंत पावतले अशी म्हाका गॅरंटी आहा. त्यामुळे युअर क्वेश्चन इज इरेलेवंट.
Senior reporter Laukik Shilgar with video journalist Sushant Pal.
Congress will prepare a report on leaders and karyakartas involved in anti-party activities during campaigning of Lok Sabha election. The party has decided to seek report from all block committees. Executive committee will meet during next week and action on such anti-party elements within the party will be decided.
Congress Party's Wednesday meeting of office bearers turned stormy. Meeting was called to assess performance of each and every Congress leader during Lok Sabha poll in the state. But in the initial phase of the meeting, South Goa candidate Alex Reginald and Altin Gomish had a verbal duel. Sources claim that Kukali Congress convention was the reason for fight. Altino Gomish was upset as he was not taken into confidence. Altino Gomish alleges forgery of his signature. Reginald argues with Altino Gomish on this allegation. Heated verbal duel goes on for half an hour. On the other side, party will prepare a report of those Congress leaders who were engaged in anti-party activities during poll campaigning. The leaders who were inactive during campaigning will also face action. These were the decisions taken. Report from every block committee will be sought. Detailed report on active and non-active party leaders. Action against dormant party leaders. GPCC President will assess the reports. Executive Committee meeting on next Monday. This meeting will decide on mode of action. On the other side, John Fernandes has alleged that government's DA declaration decision is to appease those government servants who are yet to vote through postal ballot.
If at all government servants are entitled for a DA, they should get it as a matter of right. But it is wrong for Mr. Parrikar to make this announcement during the code of conduct because election process is still on. About 10,500 government servants are yet to vote through postal ballot.
John Fernandes primarily plans to strengthen the party base at booth level rather than keeping it at the mercy of bigwigs. Anti-party leaders and dissidents will be taken to task. Bureau Report, Prudent.
Storm-affected farmers in Sattari and Bicholi Talika are in no mood to complete formalities for state compensation. Prudent's team visited Poriye, Keri, Morle and adjoining areas. People say they have incurred huge losses but have not applied for relief as procedures are tedious. In Sattari, only 250 farmers have applied for government relief with losses over 1 crore. In Bicholi, loss is estimated at around 40 lakhs, while only 20 farmers have applied for assistance.
On 4th April, areas in Bicholi and Sattari were devastated by cyclonic winds. Sattari was most hit by gusty winds. People have lost areca nut plantations, coconut and cashew trees and banana plantation. Agriculture Department officials visited villages of Poriye, Keri, Molle, Thane, Maushi, Nagargaon and adjoining areas to estimate the property and crop loss. Officials met almost 650 farmers in these areas. However, only 250 farmers have applied for compensation. Zonal Agricultural Officer Kishore Bave says loss is worth over 1 crore. As compared to Sattari, loss in Bicholi is limited. Trees have been uprooted in Bicholi, Borde, Nakeri and Lamgaon areas. In Bicholi, agriculture officials have inspected 41 places. However, only 20 farmers have applied for compensation.
सगळे जे इन्स्पेक्शन जे आम्ही कितें केल्लें आसा ते सादारण अंदाज 40 ते 45 लाख पर्यंतची नुकसाणी जी आसा ती आमी एस्टिमेटेड केल्ली आसा. आता उरलेले अर्ज जे आसा ते त्या लोकांनी सगळ्यांनी बेगीतल्या बेगीन आमकां हाडून दिवचे अशें हांव तांकां अपील करता.
Even after 15 days, many farmers have not applied for compensation. Prudent's team visited these regions. Some farmers have applied for compensation and they are awaiting state assistance. But people from Keri Raman have not yet applied for compensation as they feel that government procedures are tedious and stringent. Off the camera, some farmers said they have brought the forms but they may not apply as government procedures are cumbersome.
10 माडी आणि 50 केळी हे लुसकाण झाली. त्याकरता मी ॲग्रिकल्चर साहेब येऊन त्याचे हे पंचनामा करून गेलो आणि ते बरोवन हेले सगळे आणि त्याच्या उपरांत हांव पेटीट मारली आणि सगळे डॉक्युमेंट लावन ते अर्ज ॲग्रिकलाक दिले. ते आता सरकारान ते आमची लुसकाण भरपाची अशें आमी तेंच्याकडे मागणी मागता.
कमीत कमी 11 काजी मोडलेले आनी मोठो लागत्यो पण एक तो गेलो जाल्यार पंचायत 1/14 उतारो हाड बँकेचो बूक नंबर तेची सायन आमी सगळ्या करून पळयलें मी जाल्या तेन्ना आतां म्हाका काय शक्य दिसना. कित्याक सांग हांगा खंयच्याय वाटेन गेलो जाल्यार 100चे नोट पयलीं किशान जाय त्याच्या नंतर ते हांगा चल थंय चल ते सांगता.
Some officials say it may take 1.5 months for dispensing relief to farmers. Bureau Report, Prudent.
Lakshmikant Shetgaonkar directed Baga Beach movie has won the Best Konkani Film Award under the 61st National Film Awards. This is the third national level award for Lakshmikant Shetgaonkar's film. Baga Beach film is based on menace of child abuse in the coastal tourist belt of Goa. Another film based on Goa, The Coffin Maker, has bagged the award in English category. Earlier, Lakshmikant Shetgaonkar's film Eka Sagar Kinari and Poltodso Monis have won national awards. Poltodso Monis also became the first Goan film to win award at international level. Baga Beach movie is based on child abuse menace in the coastal belt of tourist destination Goa. See through.
found to be HIV positive.
Baga Beach was released in 2013 and it won the award for the best Konkani film for year 2013. Lakshmikant Chetgaonkar has expressed happiness for winning the award.
बागा बीच या फिल्माक राष्ट्रीय पुरस्कार मेळ्ळो म्हणून म्हाका चड खोशी भोगता. सर कन्सिस्टंटली आमी अशी बरी फिल्मां केली आनी ताका राष्ट्रीय पुरस्कार मेळत रावले आनी गोंयच्या फिल्माक आमी एक डेफिनेट आयडेंटिटी दिली म्हणून म्हाका खूब खोशी भोगता.
Meanwhile, The Coffin Maker bagged the Best English Film Award. This movie is a tale of a coffin maker and his wife living in a small Goan village. Bureau Report, Prudent.
It's time for a short break. Stay tuned.